and I got to property management business for about like 2 years. What actually made me to change my career in general was not being satisfied by what I was doing, because I knew that I have so much potential. I always wanted to get to IT, but I just didn't know where and how I can put my step in and start, because in my mindset was, okay, I have to go to the 2 years college and then get to a university and then 4-year university, and then it's gonna take me minimum of 5 years. I'm 32 years old right now, and it's just the idea was pulling me back instead of pushing me forward.